Today, we will be using DNA technology to solve a classic whodunit set in the Star Wars universe. As Grand Master, Yoda is the keeper of the ancient Jedi texts. Late last night, he saw a hooded figure sneak into the Jedi archives and take the text without authorization from the Council. While the text was returned the next day, the mystery of whodunit remains. Based on the fingerprint recovered from the book, we were able to tell it was a human Jedi, a diploid organism at 2n equals 46. And based on their locations last night, these are our 6 suspects. Using our fingerprint, we will use PCR to amplify the DNA to a more quantifiable amount. This will be repeated with samples from each of our suspects. Next, we will run 2 gels using electrophoresis to compare segments of the samples. We are looking at VNTR, or variable number of tandem repeats within each genome. The sequences of interest are detailed below, with the smaller sequences falling to the bottom of the gel. Our samples are furthest to the left. In order for us to match the sample, the suspect must match at all 3 loci. Yoda, our witness, does not match at any of the loci. Obi-Wan matches at the first, but not the other 2. Anakin matches at all 3 loci, meaning he cannot be excluded at this time. Mace Windu matches at the second, but not the first or the third. Qui-Gon can also not be excluded, as he has 3 matches. Luke can be excluded, despite matching 2 out of the 3. Rey is also clear, with her only 1 match. We can conclude that either Anakin or Qui-Gon are our most likely suspects, despite the close matching of Luke and Anakin, indicating a biological relationship. Luke is not a perfect match. Based on the first gel, we should really focus on Anakin and Qui-Gon. Again, Anakin is a perfect match, while Qui-Gon only matches at the first locus, excluding him. Of note, Rey is also a perfect match according to this gel. However, she was excluded based on the results of the first. Anakin is the only suspect that perfectly matches the sample at all the loci for both gels, meaning he is our most likely culprit. From the gels, we can also look at familial ties. As previously mentioned, Luke and Anakin share many matches, 4 out of 6 as a matter of fact, as shown by the check marks. This is indicative of a genetic connection, meaning Anakin is Luke's father. Luke would have received the other bands from his mother, Padme, which are shown by the stars. Thanks to DNA technology, we were able to find out who stole the book and whose father is who.